Namashivaya children, welcome to English class. Today in this session we are going to discuss the answers of the lesson The Magic Broom. We have already completed the lesson. In this session we are going to discuss about the textual exercises. So shall we start today's session children? First main, I told you how to write in your CW. First open your index page, write serial number and date and then name of the lesson, The Magic Broom, and open the page. On the top of the page write the name of the lesson, The Magic Broom, and your first main would be keywords. First one Pilipipa, second one mate, third one royal, fourth one crossly, fifth one tactful, sixth one debated, seventh one directions, eighth one amazement, ninth one larder, 10th one astonished, 11th one cackled, 12th one retorted, 13th one awkward, 14th peddler, 15th one exclaimed, 16th sweep, 17th stuffing, 18th crumbs, 19th temper, 20th affectionately, 21st unfastened, 22nd squeakly, 23rd witch, 24th alarmed. Then second main would be your meanings. First one tactful, did not hurt or offend anyone. Second one maid, female, servant. Third one debated, thought over. Fourth one awkward, difficult. Fifth one peddler, one who travels around selling goods. Sixth one affectionately, dearly. Seventh one larder, storeroom. Eighth one unfastened, opened. Ninth one cackled, laughed wickedly. 10th one retorted, replied. 11th one rage, temper. 12th one alarmed, frightened. Children, I have already sent keywords and meanings in the last two videos. Those who have not written can refer this and write in your CW. Everybody should write keywords and meanings in your CW. Okay, children? Now let's move on to the question answers. Third main would be your answer the following questions. That first one, how did Pilipipa realize that the broom had special powers? Answer, Pilipipa realized that the broom had special powers when she started to sweep. The broom flew across the floor and finished sweeping in no time. Children, after each answer, draw one line. Whenever you are drawing lines, use pencil. Okay, let's move on to the second question. What did the broom do to the witch at the end? Answer, the broom swept the witch out of the palace and chased her away at the end of the story. After this, draw one line. Then, fourth main, read the lines and answer the questions. First one, my, what a temper she has got. In that, question A, who thought these words? Answer, Pilipipa thought these words. In that B, who is being referred to? Answer, Pilipipa was referring to the cook. After this, draw one line. Then, in the fourth main, second one, you horrid old woman, I am quite happy where I am. Thank you. In that question A, who is the speaker? Answer, the speaker is the broom. B, who is the horrid old woman? Answer, the horrid old woman is the witch. Then in that second one, C, what does the horrid old woman want from the speaker? Answer, the horrid old woman wanted the broom to return home with her. Then next main, That is fifth main. Underline the wrongly spelt words and write them correctly on the blanks. You have to underline the wrongly spelt words and you have to write the correct spelling of the word in the blank provided. Okay, first one, Jatin is supposed. The spelling for supposed here given is supposed, which is wrong. To take his medicine twice a day. The correct spelling of the word supposed is supposed. Okay, then second one, the children, children, which is wrong, have gone to play cricket in the park. The right spelling for the children is children, not ran. Okay, then third one, many poor families do not have enough, enough to eat. Here the word enough is the wrongly spelled word. Underline that. And the correct spelling of enough is ENOUGH. Okay. Then fourth one. Can you name the 7 continents? That is, here the spelling given is CONTENANTS, which is wrong, of our planet. The right spelling of the continents are CONTINENTS, continents. Okay. Then fifth one, the girls are blowing up balloons, BALOONS. They have given, it is wrong. You have to underline that word. And decorating the house. The spelling for balloon is BALLLOONS. Okay. After writing balloons, underline correct spelling, underline the word and draw one line using the scale. Let's move on to the next main. Make words by adding ICAL, ICLE or ACLE to these groups of letters. Okay, they have given MED, then blank. You have to add ICAL or ICLE or ACLE to make a correct word. Okay, first one is MEDICAL, medical. You have to add ICAL. Then second one, obstacle, OBST. You have to add ACLE, obstacle. Then third one, particle, PART. You have to add ICLE. Then fourth one, mechanical, MECHANI. You have to add ICAL. Then next, fifth one, VEH. You have to add ICLE, vehicle. Then sixth one, comical, COMI. You have to add ICAL. Okay. Then seventh one, MIRACLE. You have to add ACLE, miracle. Then eighth one, spectacle. Then you have to add SPECT. You have to add ACLE, spectacle. Then last one, that is ninth one, MAG. You have to add ICAL, magical. Okay, after this, leave one line and draw one line. Whenever you are drawing the line, children, use pencil to draw the line. Let's move on to the next main, that is grammar. Underline the correct words in the brackets to complete these sentences. This is collective noun. I have already sent you the video on collective nouns. You can watch the video once again and you can answer these questions. However, I have given the answers in this video. Okay, first one, A. School or herd of fish was dancing in the stream. Collective noun for fish is school. You have to underline school. Okay, then second one, a troop or herd of elephants was spotted on the highway yesterday. The correct answer is herd. Okay, underline herd. Then third one, after the actor's wonderful performance, the mob or audience in the theater clapped loudly. The correct collective noun is audience. You have to underline the word audience. Okay, then let's move on to the next one. That is fourth one. A colony or constellation of ants climbed up the kitchen wall. Which is the right collective noun, children? I have given many examples. It was there in the video. Which is the right answer? Yes, colony is the right answer. You have to underline colony. Okay. Then fifth one, my sister took a bundle or stack of books home from the library. The correct collective noun for this is stack. Okay. You have to underline stack. Then the last one, the litter or team of players ran out to the field. Which is the right answer, children? Which is the right collective noun? Yes, team. Team is the right collective noun. Underline team. And after this mean leave one line and draw one line. Okay, children, you have to complete the CW. I have given all the mains including the keywords and meanings, even though it was there in the first two videos when I sent the videos on lessons. Okay, those who have not completed, you can go through this video and you can complete the CW. Okay, I am also sending PDF of the same. You can go refer the refer the PDF and you can complete your CW. Understood, children? How to write in the CW? You have to write all the means. Okay, I hope you have understood. I'll be back in the next class with another chapter. Until then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you, children. Namah Shivaya.